Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the PTCL Smart TV is on your home Wi-Fi because streaming requires a stable connection. Once connected, check for and install any firmware updates. This prevents app crashes. Next, open the apps menu and launch YouTube. If you have a Google account, sign in now so playlists and subscriptions sync. You're starting the app early to let it load while you prepare remote controls and pair your phone for faster input, which saves time on search. Once signed in, you need to navigate efficiently. Use the remote's directional pad or pair your phone as a keyboard for quick typing because long searches are slow with a remote. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready if your account requires it. Explore the YouTube layout, Home, Explore, Subscriptions, Library, so you know where saved content appears. When you play a video, check the settings to set resolution, enable captions, and control autoplay. These choices improve viewing and prevent unexpected data use. To finish, learn 2 ways to play content. Use the TV app directly or cast from your phone with the cast icon. Casting is faster for typing and playlists. If playback stutters, reduce resolution to 480p and then restart the router and TV to clear network hiccups. For sign-in or app failures, clear the YouTube app cache, reinstall the app, or re-authenticate your Google account. This usually resolves token errors. If problems persist, check PTCL service status or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.